So we're leaving the country in 2024 and we'll be back in 2025. Light alva. Okay, yeah, nice light. Illa ceiling chennagide nodo. Hello people. Welcome back. Today is the what? He's here. 19th of December 2:45 and Yatish is here. I am late.
Hey guys.
Hey mom.
Dude, how are you?
What's up? How are you?
Let's get in.
Hey, ಏನು ಇದು?
Late ಆಗಿದೆ ಇದು.
He's experienced trekker. I am amateur trekker. That's the difference. Okay, we are in T2. Let's go first find where our flight is. Check the display and
Royal Nepal Airlines.
E12 to E15 route. Come, RA226. Where is E12? Illa no, this corner. We are just 1 hour away from boarding, so there's a lot of queue. Okay, we got our boarding passes. Going to gate C2. Time is 3:20. 3:20. And dude, I want to rest. It's a good job.
You have to trek, dude. Trek for like 10 days. Come on.
Experience, guys. Don't talk. See, if I want to sit somewhere, I will sit down. I will stay that day and come next day. Don't pull me anywhere. Yeah, but T2 is nice. My first time departing. Nice. And nothing. I didn't find that impressive. Nothing impressive.
You didn't get to explore.
Yeah, I didn't get to explore. We are out of time
Because
actually.
we are in a rush. We are already late.
Very late. Exactly 3:30. Gates will close now. Chalo.
Excited.
Excited. So we're leaving the country in 2024 and we'll be back in 2025. In what, about 2 hours?
A lot of memories.
2 hours will be out. So our meal is here. He is having orange juice. Very good. Nepal and we have touched down. It's cold. Right, Avidra? Chill anta ide.
ಸದ್ಯ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Sadhya correct agide. By the time we reach there, we'll know. And Guru, what are your first impressions of Tribhuvan Airport?
So easy to get in, so easy to get out. So this is how it should be in every country for Indians.
This bugger uses only voter ID card. I'm using my passport. Welcome to Nepal. We got our SIM cards. Let's go. He is Vipin. Vipin? Both from Mysore.
Correct.
Ibru ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೋಟ್ಲ್ ಹೆಸರು
Hotel pleasure. ಇದೇ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ASC 360 ಇದು ತೋರಿಸ್ಬಿಡು ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರು ಬರೋರಿದ್ರೆ.
Okay, anyone wants adventure insurance? It is here, ASC 360. If you're not sure, you can get your insurance done from them. So I got my Ncell SIM card. 600 rupees NPR and 100 rupees for SIM card. So he charged me how much? 440, no? In INR. Only in 100 rupee notes. You give 500 rupee notes, the exchange rate is different. So full dealing over here. We're sitting at the exit gate. There is one seating area. So I have a broken old iPhone. I've got the Ncell SIM insert to it. I have 4G network and using hotspot. He has some apps to book the cab. We'll book the cab that way. From here on, our senior will take care of everything. I don't have to worry much. I've activated roaming on Airtel. Even that is working fine. I've been texting, messaging, WhatsApp.
ಫೋನ್ ನಂಬರ್
ಗುರು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ
ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿದೆ
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಈಗ ತಗೋ. To get the SIM card, you need to give your passport size photo. In case you don't have the photo, he will charge 50 rupees for that again. So that is one thing you need to remember. Carry extra photos, copy of your passport, that he will take. And what is the price of Ultra? 600 NPR was the package that I opted for. That is 28 days validity with 20 GB data and some 600 minutes call for only local numbers.
ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಏನೋ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ
So we have this issue also. Number plate is in Nepali language. Ah, you got your phone activated?
Huh?
Cab ho gaya?
नहीं bro, somebody booked it for me, man.
Somebody booked it for you, huh?
Yeah, they had an app.
Hey, there no, 3. 3136, correct. 3136. Yeah, dude.
They had an app.
Yeah, we installed it. Indrite, you can install Indrite stuff. See you.
This is 3136, dude. I know that number. So we got a cab.
ಏನೋ
ಆ ಲೈಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಓಕೆ ಯಾ ನೈಸ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಈ ಸೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ನೋಡು ಮೇಲೆ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಶೋ ಈಸ್ ಡೆಕೋರೇಟೆಡ್ ದ ಸೀಲಿಂಗ್ enough you can turn the lights off battery is very important for us this is our room it is
ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್
compact very compact how much we paid 800 NPR for this room this was booked from Bangalore only because we didn't want to come and search here it's quite cold we came right in I wouldn't recommend this place but yeah if you are in full tight budget then I would say okay go ahead
it's
called
middle of the market, so
middle of the market it is in Tamil we paid 500 rupees to the taxi guy from the airport through the app no other updates for today I think I'll see you tomorrow